Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to use three finger trick to quickly share photos on Apple devices. Apple devices support relatively unknown three finger gesture that lets you share a photo across your device in super quick time. It's a neat trick to fall back on if AirDrop is playing up on your iCloud photos are taking ages to sync. Universal clipboard is usually associated with copying and pasting text, but by using this gesture you can make it work really well for sharing images between your devices too. It can be used to quickly copy images across nearby devices, pasting into messages, notes, emails and pages. So in this video I'll tell you how can you do this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For this you will need to have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on and your devices signed into the same Apple account and connected to the same network. Next, make sure handoff is enabled on your devices. On iPhone and iPad, go to settings. Next, go to general option. Next, scroll down and choose AirDrop and toggle on the switch bringing devices together and choose everyone for 10 minutes. Next, to perform a three finger pinch gesture on a photo. On iPhone or iPad, perform a three finger pinch gesture on a photo. Go to photos and select a photo. Then perform a three finger pinch gesture and then switch to the device you want to share the photo with and then pinch outward with three fingers to paste it onto the text field. You will know that your three finger pinch gesture have been recognized when copy and paste appear at the top of the device screen. You can also cut images to universal clipboard using the same three finger pinch gesture by performing it 2 times in a rapid succession. Just remember to paste your content with a short period of time as it won't be available forever. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to use three finger trick to quickly share photos on Apple devices, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.